Hello guys. Um, this time I'm going to build something like that plane. This one is made from scratch with foam from Dollar Tree with the tape of the Brothers tape on it, and here's another one, but I don't like much this one, but this one is great. And here's the template. Can you see it? Here's the template. It's foam from Dollar Tree. And here's the foam. Ready bar from Dollar Tree Adams. And here's the template. All my planes are made from scratch and with the foam. All of it. That one, the blue one, that one, the small one, and these two. I also have the mini Talon over there, but it didn't fly too much. And here it is the Skywalker. Stay tuned, guys. I'll give you the planes for this one.